Hello everyone, so let's learn how to dim the WhatsApp wallpaper of your WhatsApp. Right, so go to the settings and you will see option of chats. Tap on chats and you have to click on wallpaper now because we have to do something about wallpaper, and you will see option of wallpaper dimming. Right, but before that let's change the wallpaper. So I've clicked on change and now we will select any uh, solid color. Right, so let's select purple color here. You can choose if you want to add WhatsApp doodles or not. So I have added it actually by clicking on that tick option, and I will set the wallpaper. Once I select the wallpaper, I'll get option of this wallpaper dimming. By sliding that moon shaped circle, I can dim the wallpaper or just brighten it up as per my choice. Right. To change your wallpaper for light theme, turn on light theme from settings, chat, and theme. Yeah, so that's how we do it. The theme thing I have covered in the previous video, I guess, so you can check it up. And yeah, that's how we do it. Very simple, very easy. Just for your comfort, it is. This option is. So you can use it or keep it as the way it is. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, if you have any queries or any suggestion for us to make any video on, drop in the comment section. We will be up for it. And don't forget to engage by subscribing, liking, and sharing it with the people who actually require these kind of videos to learn about these WhatsApp and other tech videos. So thank you. Tada.